No one's even drinking.
Wait, none of y'all are pedaling.
No one's drinking, no one's pedaling. What are you guys doing? Uh-oh, little rolls action.
On my back, a lug nut. Not the derailleur, no. Nothing for the tensioner or anything like that. Actually, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I thought about it. I should wash it down, as a matter of fact. That'd be fresh brakes.
Hey, you know, okay, so you know that spot where we drove through the mud?
Those tires. Wait, are these brand new?
Yeah. New tires and tubes.
Wow, dude.
Hey, so you know that part where we rolled through the mud?
Yes. Still there.
Right. Did you know?
There, it goes live.
Have you?
Yes.
It's awesome.
Yes. Yeah.
Hello world. Today's gonna be epic. Thanks for checking out the video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it if you could smash that subscribe button just one time for me. Right here with the boys. Got Rob on the S2, Brandon on the S1. We are on our way to Common Market in South End. We just left Kali Yoga Center. Today's been a great day. It's a little chilly here in Charlotte. It's about somewhere in the 60s, so I mean it's beautiful weather, but when you're riding, probably long sleeves and pants or something. Beautiful riding weather. Had a great class earlier at Kali. If you haven't already checked out Kali Yoga Center, be sure to check them out. You can look at who I'm following on Instagram. Check out my Instagram, Tommy Bike.
Nothing down here.
Yeah, it is. The faster we go. How you doing?
All right, man. Hey, what's the price on those bikes?
18, 22,
22?
22, 18. They don't make this one anymore.
Okay. Those are nice.
Check me out on YouTube.
Yeah.
Tommy Bike.
All right, y'all have a good evening.
Be easy. See those turn signals? Gotta be sure to be safe here in Noda. I don't know what's going on. A lot of cool murals. People out today. But yeah, if you haven't checked out Kali, be sure to check out Kali Yoga Center. Not look into some yoga by you. It's great for the mind, body, soul, all the things. We need more of that these days. Yeah, we're just out for a little rip today. Currently sending on North Davidson here in Noda. Eye on the right. Canvas tattoo on the left. Be sure to support a local business by you. Got Benny Pinello's, great pizza. Show him, Rob. Rob's got his turn signals down today. Check out some of my other videos. Again, super thankful you clicked on this video today.
Please tell me you got this.
Of course I got this. What happened?
I held my hand up to turn, and the guy on the scooter thought I was waving at him.
Yeah, I saw that.
Picked his hand up, and he almost ate it.
I think I got it. We'll have to check. I was looking straight. Where's your go button? Where's your go button, Rob?
My go button?
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for you, buddy.
That's not what I meant. Yeah. Be sure to support a local business by you. Eat it right now. There goes Brandon. Comes Rob. Look, Ma, no hands. Yeah, it's been a rough couple of weeks though. Work's been kind of slammed. That's why I haven't been able to post as much. But super thankful that I've gotten out to Huck Cycles. Be sure to check out that other video.
We get some tunes on.
Get some tunes rolling. Yeah, I saw Mike yesterday. He just got a flat tire.
Bees coming at you.
Miss Mike. Haven't rode with him in a bit. He's doing good though. Beautiful, beautiful day to be outside today. Be sure you're taking some time to get outside in the outdoors. I hope this guy sees it. Great use of the bell. Bunch of little niche local food places. I think Duke works here too. Not sure. People out today.
I thought I saw that bike right there, man.
How you doing?
Somebody turn in here.
What's going on today, Willie B?
I'm gonna run in there, maybe get me a little bike ski or stuff.
Nice, nice.
Hey, is this your new bike or your old bike?
This is the same bike you've seen.
Man, you gonna talk me into buying one of these?
You need to get one, Willie B. I saw your new flag.
Which one? Oh, that one.
The big one.
Oh, shit. So you got your camera right there?
Yeah. We're doing a little group ride. This is my buddy. This is my buddy Willie B.
How you doing?
This is Rob.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
Brandon.
What's up, man?
Hey.
How are you?
I was picking him. I said, I got a real bike. It's a little girly bike.
Willie B loves these bikes. He's gonna come and get one.
You like the pretty red, don't you?
I told him he gonna get me to buy one, man.
I'll see you, Willie B.
Watch out. Yeah, I'm back in town this week, man.
Be easy, brother.
All right.
We'll see you what?
Okay. Man, I'm so quiet.
He's a character, that guy. Willie, ooh, we going this way? Okay. Dang, a bunch of people with sweet rides coming over here to hop in this. Big old hill over here on, I think it's technically now Parkwood. I don't know. But the train's keeping us from going. Oh yeah. That's why you wear a full face helmet. And we made it around the train, sending down the hill. Cool view of the city. See how busy it is today. That's what's been interesting, like during this time, this season, is that most of the little neighborhoods are busy. But Uptown's not really busy like that. Gotta be sure you check before you cross over any roads.
You are the leader. 25?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh hell no.
How fast you want it to go?
Can't be no. They got to be so cheap.
27? 28?
20. That's they price that for the white man. They price that for the white man. They ain't price for us.
There's cheaper ones.
Like where at?
Just go online. You can get one for 800, 1100 bucks.
I'm about to do that. How long does the charge last?
Super73.com.
Super73.com.
If you go on YouTube and you type in Tommy Bike, TOMME bike,
Yeah.
you'll get $100 off.
How long does the charge last?
This one, 25 miles,
Okay, how fast does it go?
27.
That ain't bad.
Go and get you one, brother.
I need one. I'm gonna get me one.
Be safe out here.
You too, bro.
Always got to stop for the fans. Always fans everywhere though. Everyone's always asking about the bikes. If you want a bike and you want to get out riding yourself, hit the link in description for $100 off. Boom. I'm also rocking a new mic today. Let me know down in the comments. And we're sending it down North Tryon now here in Uptown. See all the buildings and stuff. Everything's closed though. Brandon's the man. Got that sweet S1. No, you've been doing great, dude. Thanks, though. I appreciate it. It's just cyborg. Bursted a blood vessel in my eye. These guys are giving me a hard time. I mean, I'm just thankful I can see. Even with my red eye. Or actually, there's a diner here in Charlotte called the Red Eye Diner that we're getting ready to pass. Coming up on the left. And we're here on Tryon. Speaking of red eyes. No one's even drinking.
Wait, none of y'all are pedaling.
No one's drinking, no one's pedaling. What are you guys doing? Man, if you're on one of those things, you got to be drinking and pedaling. At least do one.
Didn't even notice until you said it.
This building went up quick, so this one. I guess I just haven't been paying attention. I mean, we ride through here. There's people on the pedal, not pedaling. Gotta pedal on the pedal. Or here we go. Here's the Red Eye Diner. Let's go. We sending it down Tryon. It's a cool mural. Luke retired now though. A little rail yard action. Rob's got a death wish today. Price's Chicken Coop, famous chicken place. There is 2 scoops over here. I didn't know that. Well, I knew it was somewhere over here. I just didn't know where. Something smells good. Almost over here to Common Market here in South End now. Uh-oh, little rolls action. Damn, almost got into an accident. Holy goodness gracious. Don't hit the rolls. I don't know that you got enough on your insurance policy if you hit a rolls. Goodness gracious, that had me worried. Did you see that? That dude almost hit the rolls.
Yeah, oh, it was rolls. That's right. It wasn't a Bentley. It was so bad.
That, like, if you hit a rolls, like, you don't have enough insurance.
I think you have to go to jail.
Turn right, turn right. It's right over there. It's on the left now.
Like down towards Sycamore?
Yeah, it's like I think it's that black building right next to Zeppelin.
Oh, go straight?
Yeah, go straight.
What are these clowns doing?
They're going to Sycamore.
Where are we going, boys?
Starting in a warehouse.
Here we are, pulling in at Common Market. All right, we'll be back here in a minute, folks.